everyone, and welcome to Faith and Flower. If you're new, I'm Robin, and we are recently back from vacation, and as you can see, we were at the beach. We have a few shells stashed in some of our luggage, and I just really have a very messy house to clean. I don't know if you guys are like us, but sometimes I feel like when we get back from vacation, I've left a clean house, but in an instant, it looks like a bomb went off and things are strewn everywhere. So I just want to get unpacked today and do a little bit of cleaning and straightening up, and I have a mountain of laundry to tackle. We got in very late the other night, and so we just dropped our suitcases by the door, and then somehow we started opening them and rifling through them because we had church early the next morning, and here they are, and they need to be unpacked and put away, and that sack right there is laundry that needs to be done. I did some laundry while we are on vacation, but with a 10-item wardrobe, it didn't take long for me to go through everything, and I have pretty much nothing to wear except what I have on, so I better get busy. I also need to straighten up my kitchen. The dishes need to be unloaded from the dishwasher, and I've got all of the breakfast dishes piled up here, so that needs to be attended to as well, plus some things that I had drying out on the counter from last night. Yesterday we just had so many things going on that I really got behind, so I want to get everything accomplished today, and it's another gray, rainy day here in Texas, so it's a perfect time to get it done. The first thing I'm going to do is laundry, and so I'm grabbing these things from our bathroom hamper, plus the big sack that you saw with our suitcase in the foyer, and my son's already sorted his clothes, so it's time to get the first load going. I'm using my laundry sorter to sort our clothes into 4 different piles. I will put in whites, lights, darks, and then the delicates I'm piling on top of our washing machine. And I'm hoping that I'm going to just be able to do 4 loads today. We have quite a lot of laundry. I'm also inspecting things as I sort them just to make sure that there aren't any stains that need to be treated before I put them in the wash. This mesh bag that I took along as a laundry bag is actually made for washing sweaters in the delicate wash, and so now that I'm finished using it for our vacation laundry bag, I'm going to put a couple of sweaters in there that I need to wash on the delicate cycle. For the white wash today, I'm using a little bit of bleach alternative from the laundress, and then I'm going to use my Method laundry detergent and fabric softener in the mango ginger scent. Back in the kitchen, I'm going to unload the dishwasher and put everything else away that needs to be put away, and then load the dishwasher back up, and I will feel like the kitchen is in better order and I can move on with the other things I need to do. Just like making my bed, I feel like I am not productive unless my kitchen is clean. That's why I always clean the kitchen before I go to bed at night, so that I can wake up in the morning and come into a clean kitchen and get my day started off right. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. Now that the kitchen is straight and I'm not distracted by that, it's time to unpack. We were in North Carolina visiting family and friends, and part of the time we were there, we were at the beach, and I'll have my beach house cleaning video linked above if you'd like to see that. And we also had time to spend with friends and family that we don't get to see very often. One of my sweet friends, Jean, gave me these adorable Halloween kitchen towels, and I'm just unpacking those. That's what's sitting there, and you will probably see them in a future video in my kitchen. I like to keep a lot of my travel items in my carry-on suitcase, like these packing cubes. And if you guys are interested in how I pack, I have a video on how I do that, so I will link that above. But I like keeping all of these things together in one place so that when I'm ready to pack next time, it's all right there. Now I need to unpack our toiletries, and I pack a lot of these things in these reusable plastic bags that I got from the Grove Collaborative. I love these bags. They're great for food storage, but they're especially good for travel, and I'm so glad that I used it because something leaked in there. So now I need to go in with my microfiber cloth from Norwex and wipe everything down before I put it away. But if I didn't have them in this plastic bag, it could have made a really big mess all over my clothes and inside my suitcase. So that's what I use it for. After putting everything away that I use on a regular basis, the things that I use for traveling, I will put back in my toiletry bag so that they're ready to go for my next trip. In the top compartment of my toiletry bag, there's an area where I keep my makeup brushes, and that tends to get really dirty, so I want to clean that with my microfiber cloth as well before I put it away for my next trip. Another thing on my list today is to clean my makeup brushes, and I'm using this Johnson's Baby Naturals shampoo or body wash to clean them. It's very mild, and I'm not an expert, but this is how I've been cleaning my brushes, and they've lasted for a really long time. So I just get a little bit of warm water in the sink and then a little bit of the soap in the palm of my hand, and I just sort of work the soap into my brush. And just like when I'm washing my hair, if it doesn't lather up really great the first time, I'll give it another go, and then I rinse it with warm water and use my microfiber cloth to gently squeeze out most of the water, and then I set them upright in this little mason jar where I keep some of my other brushes to dry. In case you guys are curious, these are the 4 brushes that I'm washing today and the ones that I use most often. So the ones on the right are from Bare Essentials, and the one on the left is from It Cosmetics. This large one is the large kabuki brush that I use for my powder foundation. Then I have a blush brush and an eyeshadow brush. And this one I use to blend in my concealer. Now it's time to fold the first load of laundry. Now I'm going to wash out the resealable plastic bags that I have from the Grove Collaborative. I love these bags and I'm so glad that I used them because the toiletries that I packed in here did leak and it saved my luggage and my clothes from a big mess. So I'm just using some soapy water and then I will let them dry so that I can reuse them for either storing food or for the next time we travel. Back to the laundry room to get the next load going. After about 10 minutes in the dryer, I like to pull out most of our shirts and let them hang to dry. And today we seem to have a ton of shirts. going to set up this drying rack for this pair of jeans that I want to dry, and also some of the delicate things when they come out of the wash. And because I hung so many of our shirts to dry, I only have a few things left to fold in here, and then I'm going to call it a day. As a matter of fact, it's probably almost time for me to get dinner started at this point. So I will say goodbye to you guys. I appreciate you watching today. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great week.